guys, what's up and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make Jamaican carrot juice with Guinness, and here are a list of my ingredients. Guys, of course, you know I'm gonna need my blender, so here's it. It's ready and waiting. And as well, I'm gonna be using a sieve, or many say a strainer. So my strainer is ready as well, and a container to receive the extracted carrot juice. So guys, off camera I went ahead and I washed my carrots and cut them up, and now we're ready to get down to business. With clean hands, I am transferring the cut up carrot to the blender to be blended, and now I'm gonna pour water in, just enough to cover the carrot. After blending is over with, pour into sieve into container to collect the carrot juice. Make sure to repeat this process if need to. To help in extracting the juice from the sieve, or should I say through the sieve, you can go ahead and use a spoon as I'm doing right now, or you can just go ahead and use your bare hand. Make sure they're clean though. So at this point I am through with my blending and straining, and so here is the juice that I received. The next step I'll be taking is to sweeten the carrot juice. So guys, you know you have to wash your cans, you know they're in the store, it's dirty. So at this point I reach for my can opener, and I'm just gonna open, and I'll be adding all of this canned milk to the juice. Be careful not to lift, you know, the open can lid. You know, with bare hands, this can be dangerous. You don't want to get cut. So with another spoon, I decided to taste, you know, how sweet my carrot juice is. It's perfect. So at this point I'm gonna go ahead and add the Guinness. So before opening the Guinness bottle, I'm just giving it a nice little wash. Yes, I wash everything. Yes, and so after which I'm gonna pour this entire bottle of Guinness in my luscious carrot juice with milk. So guys, it's time to spice up this delicious Jamaican carrot juice with Guinness, and here I have the salt. Salt bring flavor to stuff, yes, and also nutmeg, that tasty spice. You're gonna need that as well. And guys, for some extra niceness to, you know, carrot juice with Guinness, Definitely gonna need vanilla, so I'm just adding 1 tablespoon to this deliciousness. And here you have it, guys. Jamaican carrot juice with Guinness. This is a must try. Go ahead right now if you haven't done so yet. Subscribe to my channel, hit that post notification bell to get notified as soon as I upload my next video. Guys, share the video, comment. I would love to hear from you. Let me know if you have tried this already, and also remember to give it a thumbs up if you love this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you really enjoy, and it was nice making this juice with you all.